Have you ever wondered how much of our planet's forests disappear every minute? A question to ponder upon, isn't it? Our environment, the life-giving cradle that sustains us all, is currently in a state of flux. And at the heart of this transformation is the rampant deforestation that is happening globally. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine a football field. Now imagine 20 of them. That's the amount of forest area we lose every single minute. Yes, you heard it right, every minute. This is not just about trees, it's about the intricate web of life that these trees support. With each fallen tree, we lose a part of the rich biodiversity that keeps our planet vibrant and alive. But it doesn't just stop there. Forests are the lungs of our planet. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our atmosphere. When these forests are cut down, not only do we lose this vital function, but the stored carbon is also released back into the atmosphere, exacerbating the issue of global warming. Moreover, forests are the pillars that hold the soil together. Their roots prevent soil erosion and maintain the fertility of the land. When these pillars are removed, the land becomes barren, leading to desertification. And once fertile lands transform into deserts, it's a hard battle to reclaim them. But why is deforestation happening at such an alarming rate? The reasons are manifold. Urbanization, agriculture, logging for timber and paper production, and mining are some of the key factors driving this destruction. Now that we have a clear picture of the current state of our environment and the scale of deforestation, it's time to pause and reflect. This isn't a problem that's going to solve itself. It's a problem that needs our immediate attention and action. Now that we understand the gravity of the situation, let's delve into the effects of this rampant deforestation. Deforestation affects our planet in more ways than you might think. It's not just about the loss of trees. The impact is far-reaching and touches every corner of our world. Let's start with biodiversity. Forests are teeming with life, with 80% of our planet's terrestrial species calling these wooded environments home. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, forests are a veritable melting pot of life. When we cut down trees, we're not just removing a plant, we're destroying habitats, and with them, the countless creatures that depend on them. Deforestation doesn't just affect the tree-dwelling critters though, it disrupts the water cycle too. Trees play a crucial role in this cycle by absorbing rainfall and releasing water vapor into the atmosphere. When forests are cut down, this process is interrupted, leading to drier climates and the increased likelihood of droughts. And then there's climate change, a hot topic that's intrinsically linked to deforestation. Trees are a natural carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases that contribute to global warming. When forests are destroyed, not only is this important function lost, but the stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, exacerbating the problem of climate change. Consider this. The World Wildlife Fund estimates that 15% of all greenhouse gas emissions are the direct result of deforestation. That's more than all the cars, trucks, and buses in the world combined. These are just a few examples of the devastating effects of deforestation. The loss of forests means the loss of wildlife, the disruption of water cycles, and a significant contribution to climate change. It's a ripple effect that touches every part of our planet, from the air we breathe to the water we drink. With these harrowing effects in mind, it's clear that we need to act. But what can we do to prevent deforestation? Fortunately, there are strategies we can employ to combat deforestation. Indeed, the onus is not solely on governments and large corporations. We all have a part to play in this fight. So, let's dive into some of these strategies. Firstly, we have sustainable forestry practices. This concept is all about harvesting trees in such a way that the forest's biodiversity, productivity, and ecological processes are preserved. It involves selecting certain trees for removal while leaving others to continue the forest's growth cycle. This thoughtful approach can not only meet our need for wood, but also ensure that forests continue to thrive. Next up is promoting the use of alternative materials. Wood is a versatile resource, but there are other materials that can perform the same functions without contributing to deforestation. For instance, bamboo is a fast-growing plant that can be used in place of wood for many products. Also, recycled materials can replace virgin wood in products like paper and packaging. By choosing these alternatives, we lessen the demand for wood, thereby reducing the pressure on forests. Then we have supporting companies that are committed to reducing deforestation. As consumers, we wield a surprising amount of power. By choosing to buy from companies that source their materials responsibly, we can send a clear message to the market that deforestation is not acceptable. Many companies now offer products with certifications like the Forest Stewardship Council (FSC) label, which guarantees that the wood used was harvested sustainably. Lastly, we should not underestimate the power of education and awareness. By spreading the word about the importance of forests and the devastating effects of deforestation, we can inspire more people to join the cause. By implementing these strategies, we can all play a part in reducing deforestation and preserving our planet. Remember, every action counts, no matter how small. It's not just about saving trees, it's about securing a future for all life on Earth. You might be wondering, what can I, as an individual, do to prevent deforestation? Well, the answer to that question is a resounding a lot. Every single person has the power to make a difference, no matter how small it may seem. Let's delve into some of the ways you can contribute to preventing deforestation. Firstly, making more sustainable choices in your daily life can have a surprisingly large impact. This can involve choosing products that are certified as being produced sustainably, such as those with a Rainforest Alliance or Forest Stewardship Council label. These products are often made from recycled material, or sourced from sustainably managed forests, meaning your purchase isn't contributing to the loss of our precious woodland. Another way you can make a difference is by reducing your paper consumption. In our digital age, it's easier than ever to go paperless. By opting for digital receipts, online subscriptions, and using apps for note-taking, you're helping to lower the demand for paper, which is one of the main drivers of deforestation. Secondly, raising awareness about the issue of deforestation is key. By talking to your friends, family, and even your local community about the importance of preserving our forests, you're spreading the word and inspiring others to take action. Use social media platforms to share information and encourage others to make more sustainable choices. Finally, support organizations that are working tirelessly to combat deforestation. This could be through donations, volunteering your time, or even just sharing their work on your social media platforms. These organizations are on the front lines of the fight against deforestation, and they need all the support they can get. Remember, every action counts. Whether you're choosing a sustainably produced product, reducing your paper usage, educating others, or supporting a forest conservation organization, you're contributing to the larger effort of preventing deforestation. As we've seen, each of us has a role to play in preventing deforestation and preserving our planet. Now that we're equipped with this knowledge, it's time for action. Action that is not just a one-time event, but a consistent lifestyle change. This isn't a task for someone else, somewhere else, at some other time. It's a task for all of us, right here, right now. So, how can we make a difference in our everyday lives to combat deforestation? Well, it can start with something as simple as making more sustainable choices. Choose products that are responsibly sourced. Opt for digital over paper whenever possible. Recycle and compost to reduce waste that ends up in landfills. These small steps can have a significant impact when we all participate, but it doesn't stop there. Use your voice to spread the word about the importance of forest preservation. Inform your friends, family, and community about the devastating effects of deforestation and what they can do to help. Educate them about the importance of trees and the role they play in maintaining a healthy planet. Consider supporting organizations that are working tirelessly to combat deforestation. They need our help to plant trees, protect existing forests, and educate others. Your support, be it financial or volunteering your time, can help these organizations make a significant difference. Remember, the planet doesn't need us. We need the planet. We have only one Earth, and it's our responsibility to protect it. It's the only home we have, and it's the only home future generations will have. We are the custodians of this planet, and it's time we start acting like it. We need to understand that every tree matters, every action counts, and every person can make a difference. Remember, every action counts. Together, we can make a difference. If you want to stay updated with more such information, make sure to subscribe to Eco Planet Chronicles.